The People Conference is an absolutely fantastic opportunity to get the whole of Electrolink together in one room. The main difference between this year's People Conference and last year's is that this year we've really focused on personal development.
Today's conference, which is all about the development of our staff, will impact our customers, because as our staff learn more about Electrolink, learn more about each other and learn how to grow, they'll be more effective in helping our customers grow their business with Electrolink data. Market-wide half-hourly is the biggest change this energy industry has seen in 25 years. Electrolink's data and its people are focused on helping all of our current and future customers navigate that change so they can be as successful in the future energy market.
My favourite part of the day so far has been the insights session with the entire company, looking at how their preferences interact with other people's. The level of engagement in that session was absolutely fantastic. There's a real buzz in the room and the conversations carried on into the break, and no doubt will carry on after the session itself. This is the 4th People Conference, and like previous years, it never ceases to amaze me how much energy our team bring to this conference and how much it adds to their organisation as a whole. Just a fantastic day.